outfit. Outfit is flat. I try to do this because I think I'm Superwoman today. Chicas, la tenemos aquí. Outfit. Outfit is flat. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
One eternity later.
Bye, Steve. Ay, ¿qué dice? ¿Qué dice? Ay. You're supposed to this. Yeah.
Goodbye, everybody. Wish me luck.
End of flashback.
Why does my bun look like it's seriously like it starts here and it ends up over there? Anyways, guys, I'm back. I'm back. This is the real deal. This is what happens behind the scenes that I don't really show you. Oh, my pants. That I don't really show you guys. But I'm like, you know what? F it. Because this is most of the time. Like, I'm cooking and then I have to clean up again and I have to cook and then clean. But yeah, so I've been fixing a lot of food and I had to take it to a couple of friends and some colleagues. So yeah, been doing that. So I'm going to do the dishes now, and then I actually have a couple of haul that I need to do. So I think I don't know which one I'm gonna do yet, but we'll figure it out. And I also got some stuff for to like put some stuff around the house, just some little knickknacks and stuff. So I'll show you guys that and some other little stuff. So let me just do this a little bit, and then oh, I'm also hungry. Not really hungry. I feel like eating something, so I'm probably gonna make. I have some bananas that are overripe, so I'm probably they're really overripe. But it's super like because I want to make like some kind of fritters or something. I'm in the mood for some like banana fritters, but I put like habanero in there because I'm weird like that. But you don't have to do that though. You can actually just eat it like. I'm so weird. So yeah, guys, outfit of the day, like leggings. What am I wearing? And it's super cold, so I put this on. It's not really flattering for those of you who want to see the butt.
That's a damn shame.
Yeah, so and then I have to do my braids as well, so there's a whole lot of ish going on. And yeah, so I have this. I'm just gonna do this like this. Wait, I have to pee. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, so I'm just gonna I just changed the lighting a little bit so I hope you guys can see me better. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to make some space of it, and then wash the dishes, and then go and record some stuff. So I feel so cold. I need to make a cup of tea or something. I'm probably gonna do that. I got my little note stuff, like amazing in the kitchen. I love it. So yeah, I was going to bake a cake, but I'll do that later. So yeah, guys, I shall see you guys a little bit later when I'm doing the haul. I just want to do this really quickly, and I think I'm gonna bore you guys by just, you know, watching me cleaning up all the mess here. So I will see you later.
5 minutes later.
So how's everyone been, guys? Yeah, I'm not going yet. I'm back again because I wasn't finished with the with my banana fritters that I wanted to make. So how's everybody doing? Welcome to all my new followers, guys. Oh my gosh. Hi. Wait. If you guys can you guys see it? So I'm just gonna mash that up, add a little bit of sugar because I like some sugar. I like sugar because you're not gonna see. No, seriously though. Okay, so I'm gonna add some sugar. What else? I want to say add some extra stuff. The last time that I made this, I've added some flax seeds. I added some chia seeds. I didn't really like the chia seeds. Wait 1 second. I didn't really like the chia seeds in there though. Please do not mind my dreadlocks here. I have to do my hair. I'm going to do my hair later. So the debate is, 1 second, pause on the banana fritters. The debate is, should I record the try on haul? Oh, I have a try on haul. I have some goodies that I got that I explained earlier, and braid my hair. I have to braid my hair because I want to take some pictures for the grams, not only for the grams, for some other stuff that I have to do as well. So I definitely want to get my hair done because I did this part. I can't really I don't open the whole thing and do it at once because it's so much work for me. But I am going to share information about that, about how I grew my hair and everything, guys, in case any one of you wants to know. I'm gonna add maybe I'll add a video right up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I grew my hair my hair has grown really long just by using my braids. But what I wanted to say, I make this oil that I put in my hair. Why am I talking so? I need to eat something, guys. I'm talking. Anyways, okay, so back to the banana stuff. We'll get back to the other thing later. A fork. I need a fork. So I'm just gonna mash it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna add, what else I explained? Chia seeds, flax seeds, and I have some leftover rice that I want to add also. The last time I add rice, and I really love the rice in it because it gets like a little bit crispy or something on the inside. So I'm gonna try that. And I love my habanero in there. It just does something like, it's like a little, you know, it gives you a little, for those of you who don't like pepper, don't add the pepper. That's just what I like. See, it doesn't mean if you jump off the bridge, I'm gonna follow you, you know, so. Why I like to annoy you or what? But what I wanted to say, guys, thank you so much. Am I recording? I've had that so many times this week that I thought I was recording and I didn't record anything. Or my phone is acting really weird because I'm still recording from my phone. But so yeah, I'll be recording and then it just stops or weird stuff. But anyways, so yeah, I was saying, chia seeds. Didn't like the chia seeds in here, so I'm not gonna add that right now. Flax seeds, maybe I'll add it, but I'm definitely gonna add the rice. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is how it looks right now. Can you see this? Ah, don't fall. This is me trying to be handy and show you guys. Okay, I know someone's gonna say like, why don't you get a stand? Well, my workspace is super small. Like right here is like the sink, so I have to figure something out how I'm gonna do that. Oh, it looks so good. Looks so good. I don't know, just something about warm bananas that I really love. I don't know why. That's how it looks. Super mushy. Right. Okay. My hands is sticky a little bit, so I don't want to touch the phone. And my phone keeps on getting dirty because I'm in the kitchen. Guys, it's like content creator, you know. Oh, it smells like pineapple. Why does banana smell like pineapple? That's so interesting. Oh, because it's overripe. Okay, I get it. Because it's overripe. Okay, let me just take a thing of my yogurt. All right, guys, so I have my habaneros here. Habaneros, scotch bonnets. What is it, habaneros? It's a mix, actually, of scotch bonnets and habaneros. I don't even know. Maybe it's the same name in a different country. But here in Holland, they call it Madame Jeanette. So, yeah. Like, I walk... Do you guys know, like, I walk around with this in my bag because I need some pepper on my food. This is how it looks. I already chopped a piece off. Ah, do not look at my nails. I broke all of them. I was cleaning up and I was like so into it. I was like against the wall. No! Everything broke. Alright, so next what I'm gonna do is chop the habaneros. And then I'm going to add a little bit of sugar as well. A little bit of sugar, a lot. A lot.
Why do you need to do this?
Because it's what I'm good at.
A lot of sugar, yeah. I always smell the peppers and I always taste it just to make sure of how hot it really is, because you never know. Sometimes they're not really hot. Yeah, okay. I want it nice and spicy. So I'm chopping my habaneros. So guys, why do I have how many times? Can someone please count how many times I've said so already? Is it annoying? Because it's annoying me. Wait, story of my life, pulling my pants up. Like I'm in the kitchen right now. Oh guys, annoying. This is so annoying. I'm in the kitchen and I didn't bring my, how do you call it? Thing for the phone. So it's like standing on the edge of the cliff and I'm like really scared that it's gonna fall. Okay, this t-shirt is a little bit big. It's not mine though. I took it off Woody's closet. I need to stop. I like to chop it really, really fine so that it's actually like you get a little bit in each bite. Because I'm weird like that. Guys, like, oh my gosh. I have to, I like spatter, so I've been cooking a lot and I spattered a lot of stuff on the back wall of my kitchen, and I got, what do you call it? I got like this steamer to like make life easier to clean it. And she stopped working. I was like, no way. And I just bought it not so long ago. In my head though, apparently I've already passed the, I don't know, I'm so like, oh, I literally could cry because that like made my work like 80% easier. So now I have to, like, when I'm done later or tomorrow, I have to like figure out how I'm gonna clean everything. So annoying. Okay, so we're chopping the habaneros. 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 Habaneros.
One eternity later.
Okay, so chopped the habaneros. I'm just putting that in. Woo! So there's bananas in here and plantains, or plátano, whatever you want to call them. In Holland, they call it bakbanaan. Okay, here we go, guys. A little bit of sugar, yeah? That's like 1 big spoon of sugar. Maybe I'll add more. Three hours later. I've added sugar, of course, guys. So it becomes a little bit more watery. And then you can add a little bit of milk if you want. You don't have to. I like to add it because I just like it. No special reason. Okay, so I have some rice that I had in the fridge. I'm just gonna add a bit. I'm not measuring nothing, guys. It's just, I'm just adding some stuff and see, you know. Ah. A lot of people ask me, are you on a diet or anything? I do not do diets. I eat whatever I like. And because I'm constantly busy, like I'm constantly moving around, I guess I burn a lot. I don't know. I don't know, guys. You tell me. Okay, so that's 1 heaping spoon. Let me mix that. And then I'll probably add another spoon. Okay, definitely adding 1 more cup of rice. And I'm gonna mix that, and then I'm adding some flour, which is also, I think, 1 spoon. Another one. 2 spoons. And then I'll mix this a little bit, and yeah, I think I have the consistency that I want. Do you hear that sizzle? Guys. Ah! This is me excited, okay? Okay. Yeah. All right. Bye.
Early the next morning.
Hello. What is that? My voice sounds like somebody's babysitter or something. I don't know. Anyways, guys, I have showed you guys that box before. And yeah, I'm finally going to open it and put the cupboards together, hopefully, because I'm doing some rearranging in the space. So I'll let you guys know how that went. Maybe I'll show some little pieces, building pieces, but right now this is it. Oh, I love this. I have to get new knobs. Like I had all of these, but then for some reason they broke off because it wasn't so stable. But I think it's so gorgeous. So now I have to go online and search for some new knobs. So I'll see you guys later. I'm going to look for knobs.
2 very boring minutes later.
Shouldn't I be looking for knobs? Oh, brother. Okay, I need to do this with 2 hands. Ciao. This box has been looking at me for months. Like, I can't anymore. I have to, like, get this together. ASAP. For real. Yeah. But doing this with, like, one hand and trying to film, guys, it's... Why don't I just put the camera down? Erica, put the camera down. Okay, so I got this actually because I want to put it on top of another cupboard and put my mirror on top of it. So while we're here, outfit of the day. Yeah, the slippers and the socks is the star. So I'm doing this with one arm, guys. I'm trying to be really clever here. Which is not working, guys. No, it's going good. But it's just a little bit hard to do it with the phone in my hand. So. Yay! Oh my gosh, guys. Yes! I've put it together. I'm so happy.
No, I've had enough for today. 1 eternity later.
Hey guys, so I'm back at the gym. Came to test this baby out. Love it. Love the fits. Really comfortable. Let's see how it works. That's it? Yeah. Så tror jag inte det. Oh, my hair, guys. I need to do my hair later, but seriously, on a serious note, like, it really fits really well. It's comfortable. I can do everything I want to do in it, so I'm super happy. But yeah, we'll get back to that because I can really talk because of the music. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to attempt to do something. I'm at the gym and they have, wait, let me stand like this because I don't want to show anybody. And they have like, there's a car here or a truck and you can pull it. So I'm gonna try to do this because I think I'm Superwoman today. So we're gonna try it. Like, I don't know if you can actually see the truck out there. But yeah, so I'm gonna put my jacket on and then we're gonna see if I can do this.
15 minutes later.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Let me tell you guys, it felt seriously like I was just a feather. It's like I wasn't doing nothing, like absolutely nothing. I think like he just started to drive at one point. I'm not sure, but okay, it was a nice experience though. It definitely was. Like here I was like, when is the end coming? When? Oh my gosh. Like, and then I thought I was there. I wasn't there yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there was a few steps more to go, and I was like, I hope this thing doesn't pull my back apart or anything. But anyways, okay.
Thank you, Belle. I did it. I pulled it. I pulled it. I pulled it.
Okay, so I came. I'm going. We're going.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so came to the gym again to test the shark out. The shark coming. Okay, so I'm loving it. It's not like it's cute. It's definitely cute. Definitely. Little booty. What the hell? Like that? Whatever. I'll probably have to do a voiceover because like the music in the background, you know. So okay, bye. Okay, so I must say I'm super proud of myself. I'm super proud of myself for pulling this car, yeah? For pulling the car. It's amazing. I did amazing. Oh, am I the most annoying person ever?